Oh, that's beautifully done. He's eliminated two and still pushing on now. Can South Africa finish it off? Mufokeng gets his first for South Africa. It's been a long time coming. His opener at international level. And the star, the newly born star of South African football, celebrates yet another big moment on a huge stage. Well, he's had his chances throughout this match. Man who's in his short career at the top flight of South African football has found himself scoring in cup finals in the Champions League away in Egypt against Al Ahly. Right place, right time here. Lovely work by Mugwana. Superb work with the assist in for Mugwana. Brilliantly done. Eliminates two. Add another to the mix. And he's off. Back that four. In the end, he's taken on that entire defense, including the pass, eliminating the rest of them. And Mufokeng needed to just keep his composure, which he did quite beautifully, as is done time and time again. Yeah, it's been coming.